In today's tutorial, we will learn how to have this effect. The video shows a few people swimming and it shows through the words that are on the screen. We will show you how to do this 3 ways, so be sure to watch until the end. We will open up a new page, go to Elements on the left and type in Swimming. We will then click See All for the videos and choose this one. Once it's on the page, adjust it to fill the screen the way you want it to be. Next we go to Elements again and choose the rectangle. When it's on the page, we adjust it. And in this case we want it to be a rectangle. Next we will rotate it 90 degrees to make it look like this. This is one of the effects we want to show you. We go to Elements and type in Frame. Make sure All is selected and click See All under the Frame section. Scroll down until you see the alphabets. Let's choose the first one, which is the alphabet S. We are going to use the word swim in the effect. Click the alphabets one by one and adjust it to how you want it to be. Align it to the desired effect. In this case, we want it to spell the word swim in a vertical manner. Once that is done, we go back to Elements and we choose the same video that we used to fill the background of the page. Click on it and drag it to the first alphabet S. Make sure it fills the S frame. Then double-click it and drag it to fill the screen to the exact match as the one in the background. This is very important. All the videos on the alphabet must be dragged to fit the background video at the exact size and position. To see it, we go up to the top right and click this. We can now see the effect that was created. This is how it will look if it was done horizontally. And this is the second effect. For the third effect, this is how it will look. We add a page and choose the same video. Then we click on Text and type in Swim. We will choose a thicker font so that it stands out and fills the screen better. We enlarge it to the way we want it. Then we click the text box and go up to Effects. Choose the Hollow effect. This is how it will look now. If we go up and click this, we now see how it is. These are the 3 ways to do this with different variations according to the effect you would like. If you liked this, please do like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.